Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. Today, I'm sharing the best pocket option auto live signals trading strategy using just one indicator, the super trend. This amazing indicator will give you real-time auto buy and sell signals directly on the chart, as you can see here. To make these signals super accurate, you'll need to adjust the indicator settings. I'll reveal the exact settings somewhere in the video, so make sure you watch till the end. For this strategy, here's what you need to do. Set the candle time frame to 15 seconds. Set the trade expiry time to 2 minutes. When you get a buy signal from the super trend indicator, first check if the price is near a resistance level. For a sell signal, check if the price is near a support level. If the price isn't at these levels, take the trade immediately with a 2-minute expiry. A few important things to keep in mind. Never trade against a strong trend. Avoid trading 15 minutes before and 30 minutes after major or medium news events. Now let's jump into some live trades to see this strategy in action. But before we start, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more trading tips and strategies. All right, let's get started. According to our trading rules, this is a perfect sell trade setup. We've just received a sell signal from the super trend indicator, and the price is not at the support level. Plus, the trend isn't too strong yet. Based on this, taking a sell trade for 2 minutes is the right decision. Now let's see if this trade gives us a profit or a loss. Stay tuned. Make sure to watch the video till the end to get the super trend settings I promised to share. Great news, friends! We've won this trade. Now let's wait for the next perfect trade setup signal. Stay tuned for the next setup. And remember, the best strategies come with the right settings. Friends, here we've received a sell signal from the super trend indicator. Now the price is at the support level, but I've decided to take the sell trade for 2 reasons. First, the price movement is currently downward. And second, the price didn't follow the bullish movement from the first buy signal before this sell signal. The reason for this is simple. The price is in a downtrend, making it a good time to take a sell trade. It's important to keep all these details in mind before placing a trade. Remember, the strategy isn't always the same. We need to adjust based on the situation. Now, let's see if this trade gives us a profit or a loss. Stay tuned. Make sure to watch the video till the end to get the super trend settings I promised to share. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. Let's find out the results soon. We've won this trade as well. Now let's move on to the settings of the super trend indicator. For this strategy, we need to adjust the super trend settings a little. Set the ATR period to 5 and the multiplier to 2. Now, let's find another perfect trade setup for today's session. Stay tuned. As per our strategy, this is a perfect buy trade setup. The super trend indicator has given us a buy signal. The price is not at the resistance level, and there is no strong trend against us. Also, the bullish movement is strong, so all the conditions are in our favor to take this buy trade. Now let's see if this last trade of our session gives us a profit or a loss. Stay tuned. Friends, we've won this trade too. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me create more quality content for you. And please share this video with your trading community. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.